So this is manual test stand which will be used for testing compression rate of spring. First what we do is place the spring and try to place it at the very center. Then you bring down the handle to the point where it just starts to show a little bit of force. Now you can see some force here. You make sure you make it 0 at this point. Now according to the specification, this spring, when you compress it by 4 mm, it should show 25 kgs to 27 kgs. So we will compress it by 4 mm. And you can see the force increasing. Go down to 4 mm. And then you can take the reading. It's showing 26.8 kg. So this is according to the specification.